Chill's Cuisinaire. Today we are going to explore Paneer Burji. For that we need 2 cups of crushed paneer, 1 tablespoon of grated ginger and garlic, and 1 cup of tomatoes chopped, and 1.5 cups of chopped onion. Now we are going to make tadka. So I have ghee, pure desi ghee, and I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of ghee in a pan. Then the cumin seeds, just like half a tablespoon. Turmeric powder, 1/4 of a tablespoon. Throw the ginger, garlic. Give it a stir. Onions and I'm going to add some chili powder. I did not add green chili, so I'll be adding good amount of chili powder. And I have the cumin powder too. I have a recipe for that, bhuna hua jeera powder, so we can add that. Of course, the salt, the king of all the tastes. I'm going to let it cook a little bit. Yep, I can see that the oil is separated a little bit. Give it a stir and add the paneer. It's a very quick and easy recipe. It's just like egg burji as well. Basically, if you replace beaten eggs for this paneer, this is a base recipe for egg burji and the paneer burji. In the oil part, you can either use ghee or coconut oil or avocado oil. They have a very good fat in it than the other vegetable or canola oil. So I recommend you to use coconut oil or avocado oil or ghee or butter. This dish is a little bit on the heavier side. It is actually a low carb, but it is slightly high fat. So if you are doing keto diet, this is a good recipe. Okay, this is nicely mixed. I'm going to now close this, and I'm going to tell you a secret to make this more tasty just right soon. Right, looks nice. I'm going to add some coriander to it to add the color, and the secret ingredient is yogurt. You can add a tablespoon of yogurt in this. You don't have to cook it, just stir it. That's your last secret ingredient. And I'm just going to stir it, mix it well. It will give you a very moist texture. That's the idea. You don't have to close the lid, just give it a stir. That's it. Okay, it's ready to serve. Okay, garnish with nice coriander. Eat this with dinner roll or paratha. Enjoy this paneer burji recipe. Thanks for watching.